If you're looking for someone to change your life, I can be the one who can change your life. If you're looking for someone who can change your life, baby, I can.
Hey YouTube, y'all know who it be. It's your girl D, and today we back with another litty viddy. And today, y'all, we are doing a hair tutorial, and that's on period. I'm going to be showing y'all how I install my U-part wig. Thumbnails.
Boy, if you don't.
But I feel like I'm exposing myself because every time I put this on, people always think I'm having a sew-in, and I'm just like, nah, sis, it's a wig. But first, I'm just gonna go like part by part on what to do. I washed my hair last night, deep conditioned last night, and all that. So first, what y'all want to do, I'm gonna try to do it inside the camera. But if it don't work like that and I'm looking this way, it's because my mirror right here. So first, what you want to do is you want to part your hair into the way that you want it. So I'm going to be doing a side part. Yeah, I'm going to be doing a side part. So I kind of already pre-parted my hair. So I'm going to just, make it right. And I was, okay, y'all, so let me tell y'all. I'm not a braider for real. Like, I can braid, no. I can make it work. So I was just like, I'm not really gonna braid my hair. So I'm gonna have my friend braid my hair because I want some real professional type looking braids, especially because y'all Valentine's Day is this weekend. I don't have a Valentine, but I love Valentine's Day. I don't even have a Valentine. But so I'm also making sure I'm extra laid and all that for Valentine's Day. So anyways, once you find your part, this is what I'm working with, a little C part, a little side part. You want to also take enough, because this is the leave out. A U part, let me explain the difference. A U part wig is when you have a wig, but you also have some left out. So right here, let me show you. So this is the wig. And the part right here is going to be for my leave out. And then a regular wig, got the closure, so you don't even have to worry about that. You just have to braid your hair straight back and slap it on. But yeah, so I have to make sure that I have enough leave out or whatever to cover the tracks. So you pretty much get you a good decent piece about that thick. Yeah, you want to kind of eyeball it to make sure that you have enough hair that's going to cover, that's going to cover the whole thing. So I just kind of take it, and then I do like a loop around. Okay, so this side is done. So then I go a little piece. Yeah, that's about right. So then I just go back and make sure that I like it, and I also make sure that I have enough hair. So then I just take this and section it off like so. So now, anyway, so then I comb this part out. Ooh, I'm so tender-headed, it don't make no sense. So I always like to, I need to get some bobby pins. Do I have bobby pins? I'll be right back. Okay. So I have to get some bobby pins. So then I take the wig, excuse me, and I brush her out. Y'all check this. And it smells so good. I washed her too. I'm gonna get my friend. she's gonna braid it down so y'all can see, and then I'll come back to y'all. So y'all, this is my friend Angel. I call her Gigi.
Hi YouTube, this is Dee.
This is my fave, y'all. She about to hook me up with the braids.
Period.
So here comes a time lapse.
Here we go.
Here it goes. Okay, y'all. So I just got my hair braided, as you've seen. So now I'm about to just go through with this grease mixture that my mama made for me with Dew Grow and Sulfur 8. It makes your hair grow, and you don't want dry hair under like a wig or anything. So I'm just about to do that. Okay, y'all, so in this process I'm about to use some bobby pins, and then I'm about to sew it. So you just need a needle and some thread and some scissors, of course. And I use the bobby pins because I like to pin my wig up so I can see if I like the placement before I sew it on, and it holds it in place while I'm sewing it, so that makes it easy. So you just take the the thread through, let me get a lot home. So you just take it, maybe I should stand up for this part. Anyway, and then you just make, as long as you feel that it should be, but I prefer it not to be too long, but you don't want it too short either, because then you're gonna have to go back, and I don't like to go back. So, and it's already gonna be tight. So I said it's long enough. So then after that, you just cut your thread. Run your fingers through to make sure there's no extra thread, because you want it to be tight. Then you come to the end, and then you just double knot it. Okay, so it should look like this. So now that you got your thread done, it's time to put the wig on. And once you get your wig, you find, where the part is, and I like to brush it out just to make sure everything still is good. Y'all check it, 28 inches, I think so. And it smells so good. Okay. So I take it, flip it over, and pretty much you want to line it with your braids. So I take it like this. Y'all not gonna know how to act. I'm not gonna know how to act. I don't know what I just said. These braids tight, y'all, so. So then I take this part too, and to pin it just also, again, just to make sure I like the placement. Make sure I can get it tight. So I just kind of make sure my leave out Has enough space too. It's gonna be beautiful. Still got a. And sometimes when I do it, I might actually leave the bobby pins in there because it's just extra secure. You don't have to leave it in, but I do. Sickening, as my friend would say, y'all. But yes, so get into the look. How to be a baddie in less than an hour, period. And this is the final product, you guys. I had to finish it off camera because I was doing too much. I don't know what I was doing. It wasn't coming out right. But I flat ironed everything, did a little piece of edges, and this is what it's looking like. I'll probably add some curls or something to it for Valentine's Day, but who knows. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, don't forget to hit that bell so you're notified every time I post a litty video. You already know who it be. It's your girl D. Stay blessed. Thanks.